if you gon' snitch, talk a lot. Them gon' be your last snitch words on the block. When I'm not talking, I make a nigga nervous. Told him drop his location if he got the courage.
What's up with the Charlie's Big Boss? I really love y'all guys so much. I say all that to say I really appreciate you guys for sending me samples of fragrances y'all already bought. I really appreciate y'all. In my opinion, when y'all be sending me these fragrances and it costs like $400, I'll be like, damn man, like I really wanted to buy that new Resident Evil. Or I'll be like, damn, Spider-Man come out next month and I wanted to buy all the DLC packs, but I gotta go buy this fragrance from my subscribers. You know what I mean? So it'd be a little off-putting a little bit, but I don't complain because I just love giving y'all content. I love reviewing these fragrances. Today, I had a subscriber. His name is like Mad on YouTube. I think he probably just played Madden a lot, maybe. But he sent me a sample of the Harmonist Hypnotizing Fire. $250 for a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. Now, my fragrance, the Boss, is the same size, right? But I only charge $80 for mine. But the Harmonist feel like, no, we need all the coins. So that's what we'll be reviewing today, okay? I'm gonna start out with saying that this scent is a warm and spicy scent, a patchouli scent, and you can smell vanilla in this as well. But it's very, very warm and spicy. Another thing I can say about this fragrance, it smells very Oriental, like very spice. Like it's giving me warm, sweet, spicy Japanese tea, for real. This fragrance came out in 2016, okay? It came out the year I graduated. I would actually classify this fragrance as a date night fragrance. I would wear this to a date. I don't look at this fragrance and think, oh my God, wow. If you get what I'm saying, like I smell it and I'm not blown away. Now it smells decent. It smells captivating. It smells like a fragrance that I'll just put on, but I can't imagine paying $250 for this scent. A humble opinion. Also, for them guys out there that don't want to spend $250 on this fragrance, I have a layering combo that can get you very close to this fragrance right here. So you ain't gotta pay that much and break the bank, right? Because inflation and we ain't got money like that. Jean Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male, right? Why? Because it got that vanilla note. Let's just call this the vanilla of the Hypnotizing Fire. This is the vanilla, right? And then I have Oud of Glory. Now, this is not Oud for Greatness by Initio. This is Lattafa's clone, Oud for Glory. The reason why I say get this is because it smells so much similar to the Initio fragrance that is like, you know what I mean? Just grab this one. The goal today is to smell like Hypnotizing Fire. You mix these two, maybe like 75% this with 25% this, and you're gonna get that fragrance for sure. Okay, so if y'all at home and you have these two fragrances, you can put these two together just to kind of catch the vibe of what that smell like. I'm getting a really green patchouli smell. Like, don't underestimate that green Oriental smell, that tea smell that I'm getting from this fragrance. It's really green, really green. Like super green with a tad bit of like vanilla and sweetness. I got personally 6 hours out of this fragrance. You might have got a little bit longer. I drank a lot of water this week, so I knew my body like really didn't need that much oil. So I knew when I sprayed this on there, it wasn't going to dissolve in my skin that fast. So I'm like, okay, I drank a lot of water. I got a little moisturizer on my skin. I applied it, and it still only gave me 6 hours. Now, 6 hours is still great. If you're working a job and you're working there for 8 hours, 6 hours is good. Okay. It's a rose note in this fragrance as well that I didn't smell out the gate. You'll kind of have to wait until the drawdown. I kind of smelled the rose, like a little hint of the rose after like 2 to 3 hours. But it was just so small and minimal that I can't really say like this is a rose scent. So This is more towards the green patchouli side. And I would kind of put this fragrance inside, you know, fall and winter as the seasons to wear it, the occasions to wear it. Like I said, date night, you can wear this to sleep. I just can't call this a fragrance I would tell y'all to run and go get, no matter the hype, okay? If I was gonna rate this fragrance out of 10, I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. It's decent, it's okay. It's not too crazy, you know what I mean? It's not worth the price point, but I understand that I have an unpopular opinion at times, so please get in the comment and change my mind. Like, tell me why you like it, if y'all smelled this fragrance. All right, I love y'all. Y'all stay looking fly. Know your history, okay? History is always written by the victors. Always know that. So don't listen to the people that won. Do your own research. And I also want to tell everybody that any information that you get from me or anywhere online, always vet it out. Always do your own research. Come up with your own opinions, because perception is key. Some people might perceive a tiger as bad if he jumps out the cage at a zoo and eat people up. And then there's people like me that'll look at the tiger like, well, he is a tiger. You know what I mean? So it's different perceptions with everything, and you have to understand that when people give you information, they are giving you the information from their perspective. So always take the time out to go do your research before you lock it in. All right, I love y'all. I'm Big Boss. Stay far looking good, stay smelling good. I love y'all so much. Stay tuned for the next video. Can y'all drop a like for me just because I love y'all? All right, see y'all later.
I'm serving, I'm selling that cake. Fuck all the fucking and fuck all the talking and fuck all the walking, got money to make. Fuck on a bitch and I don't do a date. Came off the streets and I'm paving my way. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Came to the party with no gun. Left the party with a